It's all over western Oregon.
Crashing into storm debris.
Yeah, many people have been in the dark for days.
Skidding on ice.
Oh, we've seen so much damage in the past week.
On day 3 without electricity.
Damage because of the snow and ice storm.
Well, our crews have been all ready for days.
Today we go into our 12-hour emergency response shifts.
A lot of you are dealing with some property damage and, of course, all those power outages.
Side streets are an absolute mess.
This could get nasty.
PGE says be prepared for power to be out for days. They say they can't give you updates.
Some really big limbs came down off that oak tree.
A lot of ice, a lot of ice.
By Saturday afternoon, more than 20,000 were still without power in Clackamas County.
There is a lot of work to do.
We've brought crews in from Montana and Nevada.
It's a small world, Laurel, and we hope we have more good outcomes to come here in the coming days.